Hello, this is Sion. Today I will discuss how was my SSP interview experience, and that is the main motto to make this video today here. And those who are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and share this video and like this video. So let's start it. Actually, my SSB interview, which is SSC Tech 56, which was held in 28 January, and uh, and how is the procedure to continue the interview? Today is a today which will be discussed today. So today is the Allahabad, and how was the journey and how the documents and which documents which are required for the interview. That is a basic things which will be discussed today here. Actually, to reach Allahabad, we have reached in Allahabad before 2 days, and that is near about 26 January, and our interview was 28 January. So before 2 days we reach there, and we take a lodge, and we take rest for one day. After that, that day, as that date was 28 January, then we have taken one day for preparing myself. And the we all know the interviews which was held for 5 days. At the first day, the test was scanning test and PPTT. But to enter the SSB, you have to take lots of documents. Without documents, you cannot be allowed in the SSB center. Then the first document is COVID-19 negative report, which will be signatured by doctor, the or doctor which will sign your documents. That is a very important. Another is you have to install the Argo Setu app before reaching your platform or station. The Argo Setu app should be installed in your phone before start your journey. That is very important. Without COVID-19 negative report and Argo Setu app, you cannot take entry in your SSB interview campus. Actually, in 28 January, our reporting time is 6:30 a.m. in the morning. Then, and the time was January. As the time was January, you all know in Allahabad there is a very cold weather, and we have covered ourselves with face shield and hand gloves. Without face shield and hand gloves, they are not allowed our to take entry in their SSB center. After that, the following steps are finished. They give us entry at 7 a.m. in the morning. After that, we reached in the hall, and they gave us our breakfast. After taking our breakfast, they take into us in a hall, and there the documentation are checked out by them. The documents which are very important, that is shown here. You may see the documents which are very important. Without documents, they if there is a any one document which are missing from your file, they cannot allow you, and they simply note your names, and after that they will say you, without documents they cannot allow you in an interview hall. The documents is very important. Those who are in final year student, basically BTech final year student, they have to signature their, they have to sign their principals and their HOD, respected HODs, and that is very important. As I was pass out student 2019, I do not require this kind of thing, and the documents were checked by them. um, at the time of checking their documents, most of the students are documents out. Approximately 20 to 30 students are documents out of 200. Actually, we are present 200 students. Out of 200 students, 30 students are documents out. Because of that, they forget their documents to carry with them. That was finished. After documentation, they start their interview process. First interview process was verbal and non-verbal reasoning. That is basically say screening test. At first they will start the for verbal test for 50 minutes. They give you questions and you have to attend, and the plus point is there is no negative marking. You will get enough thing to do whatever you do in the exam hall. After 30 minutes they submit. You have to submit your papers. After that the next test, which is non-verbal test, that is very important. That will be done by them. That will be done by them on the following steps. After finishing the verbal and non-verbal reasoning, they simply go for the PP and DT test, and the officer who will take entry in our class and class, I mean to say in our hall, and says us the PP and DT test, how it will be done, and the processes which shall be important for the PPDT. In PPDT case, the picture which is shown in your front of your image, and you have to discuss with your members. That is something related to GD. Actually, we are present 200 students, and we are divided 10 groups, 10 to 20 groups, and each groups contain 10 members. To create conversation with them, that is very important, and the conversation in between them, that is very important. They will watch your conversation in the PPDT. After after the conversation, the officers will say you officer will click you individually to say about this story. After that, after the finishing of GD, you have to, the one person from you will give the conclusion, what is the basic motto, and after that they will say you, after the finishing of the PPDT test, they will say you may wait for the result after the finishing of this interview, and and that's the thing.